I want to talk about something that has been quietly changing how we text on Android. This feature is known as Gemini inside Google Messages. Google introduces Gemini AI inside Google Messages apps, allowing users to access its conversational intelligence without leaving the SMS testing app. If you haven't tried it out yet, stick with me because by the end of this video, you will know everything you need to get started with it. So basically, Gemini in Google Messages gives you access to AI assistants right inside your testing app. You don't need to open a separate app or switch the tab. The AI assistant is just there inside the messages. With it, you can chat with the AI, draft replies, plan events, or just brainstorm ideas, all without leaving the conversation. This whole integration is built around RCS, that is Rich Communication Services, and it is basically the modern replacement for old SMS and MMS messaging we grew up with. Think of RCS like the chat experience you get on WhatsApp or iMessage. You can send high-resolution photos, see live typing indicators, get read receipt, and enjoy way better group chat right inside your phone's default messaging app. But here is the catch. RCS doesn't run on your regular cellular voice network. You actually need an internet connection for it to work. So if your phone is not connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or data, the RCS will not work. And this RCS is needed to use the AI assistance in the Google Messages. To turn the RCS on, if it is not turned on by default on your Google Messages, then open the app and tap on the profile icon. Scroll down and click on Messages Settings. Next, click on General and you will see the RCS chat. Tap on it and toggle it on. Now, let's talk about who can actually use this. Gemini in Google Messages is supported in more than 165 countries and it works in multiple languages too. But the important part is that it is only available on Android devices. If you are on iPhone, this one is not for you. Also, your phone languages has to be set to one of the supported languages for this to work. Furthermore, you can't use this feature with a Google account that is managed through Family Link, and you also can't use a Google Workspace account to access the feature. You only need your own personal Google account to access Gemini inside Messages. So if you are on a managed or supervised account, this feature just won't show up. In addition to that, make sure that your Google Message app is fully updated. If it is not the latest version, the Gemini icon might not even appear. Just head over to Google Play Store and check for updates before you try any of these. Right now, let's get into the actual step. This part is really simple. Step 1. Open the Google Messages app. At the top, right above the Start Chat button, you will see a Gemini icon. Tap on that. Step 2. If this is your first time, just follow the on-screen setup instruction. Step 3. Once setup is done, you are in. You can start chatting with the AI assistant right there inside the messages. Now, one thing you should keep in mind is that your chat with Gemini inside Messages are not end-to-end scripted, unlike your regular WhatsApp conversation with other people. So just be mindful of what you are sharing there. Beyond just chatting, you will also start noticing magic compose style suggestions popping up as you type. If you have used Smart Compose in Gmail before, it is a similar idea. Gemini will help predict and suggest what you might want to say next. And that is really it. That is everything you need to know to start using Gemini inside Google Messages. If this video gave you value, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know if you have tried it out already and let me know your experience with it. I will see you in the next one.